While it may seem like the ultimate dream job to become a pilot and flying over 35,000 feet, there's a long list of do's and don'ts when you're in the cockpit. Today, we're diving into 5 surprising things pilots absolutely cannot do while flying. No beard rule. Most airlines are not allowed to have long beards for pilots because of safety reasons. In case of emergency, the pilot has to put on an oxygen mask, and if he has a beard, masks will not fit properly, and oxygen may leak. But there are no restrictions on having a neatly trimmed beard. No liquid allowed in cockpit. Spilling coffee or water on the control panels could damage critical systems or even lead to an emergency situation. That's why pilots keep their beverages securely capped at all times. So pilot can't sip their favorite coffee while flying. Minimum 2 people has to be in cockpit. This is not just a company policy, it's a strict aviation rule. If one pilot becomes incapacitated, the other takes over. And when one leaves the cockpit, like for a restroom break, a flight attendant has to step in temporarily. So flying solo is not an option. No food choices. You'd think being a pilot comes with perks, but meal options aren't one of them. Pilots eat different meals to avoid both of them getting sick from the same food. If the captain has pasta, the co-pilot might get salad. So pilot cannot choose what they want. No chit-chat below 10,000 feet. This is called the Sterile Cockpit Rule, and it's all about focus. During takeoff and landing, the most critical phases of flight, and most of the accidents happened in this phase. So pilots are strictly prohibited from casual conversations or distractions, and their full attention should be on the plane.